In this lesson series of Teach Me Something, you will learn how to open a master lock. A master lock has 4 parts: the dial, the indicator, the shackle, and the combination numbers, which is made up of 3. To begin, you must turn the dial 3 times to the right and then stop at the first number, which is 12. Next, turn left, making sure that you pass the first number. Now stop on the second number, which is 18. Now turn the dial to the right and stop on the third number, which is 28. Now pull the shackle. So now, let's put it into practice. Turn and stop at the first number, which is 12. Now, we're turning left, 1 full turn, passing the first number to stop at the second number, which is 18. Turn right, and now stop at the third number, which is 28. Now pull the shackle, and now you have unlocked the master lock.